We have finally made it to Wallace Lane Farm Holiday Park, and we have the Deluxe Hot Tub Pitch. Let me show you. There's the hot tub. There's the Caravan. And here is the little side room that you get. So you get a little kitchen. There's no plates or anything like that, but it's got microwave, toaster, kettle, sink, fridge, and a little shower room to have a shower and a proper toilet. But it is very warm in here as well, like really warm. There's a couple of towel rails for when you're getting out, but most importantly, obviously, the hot tub. Nice decking, it's undercover, it's got lights, and it's Valentine's Day. Babe, is there a chance of another drink, or just bring in the bottle? Or... Huh?
I already got it.
Who should I get if it is red hot? I think it's too hot. It is red hot.
It's on 41, isn't it?
Jeez, yeah. Why'd they look good?
On dating sites.
Never go on a date again.
Shit.
It's hot in here.
It's because my feet are
I
freezing.
know as well, yeah.
It's nice though.
It's nice.
It's a shame you didn't get your initial reaction.
Yeah, I shit myself when I opened that drawer first. I feel like it's touching my bum. Someone's touching. Are they gonna...
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Or are you lying?
No, I got it. I got it. It fell on the floor and I got it. It's been sleeping with the spoons in a cochlear drawer, so let's not think about it, eh?
Gaz is drunk if you can't tell.
I'm so drunk. We've not had alcohol for
19th of December.
since 19th December. When I'm sober in the morning, I'll do a proper review. You might get some shots today of us getting in the hot tub because it is cool. It's so clean here as well. It looks amazing, doesn't it? The hot tub was a 41 and normally they only go up to 40. It was roasting.
Mm-hmm.
So we're buzzing. We're going to have steak baguettes for tea.
Steak ciabatta.
Steak ciabattas for tea with mayonnaise. That's our one meal a day. And
basically fasting. Don't feel sorry for us. It's
Yeah,
not
we're
as bad as
fasting.
it sounds.
yeah, fasting. So we'll see you in a bit. We've dropped a bollock and not took a lot of stuff home that we should have took home, and now it's a little bit mouldy. There's a little bit of extra zest on there. So where we're staying, there's a proper kitchen and sink, so we've took some bits out and cleaned them all properly. But yeah, our fault.
put it in like that?
I didn't want to touch it. Is it okay for you? It's pink enough in the middle. Yeah? That is really nice, isn't it? First meal of the day. Only meal of the day. We're going to watch some TV and then we're going to get back in the hot tub. I'm going to show you what it's like at night because it looks cool.
We are here for 2 nights. It was £255 for the Deluxe Hot Tub Pitch, and it is quite deluxe actually, although there are no plates, but that's a different story. Yes, it was £255 for 2 nights, 2 adults, and we also paid £27 for the fire pit bundle, which included logs, kindling, fire starters and matches and a newspaper. Today is not the real fire. I'm going to do a proper one tomorrow. But yeah, very nice place. Anything to add? Thank you for joining KSMR. And now I'll let you listen to the fire.
There is alpaca poo everywhere, but you can walk down here with your dog, keep it on a lead, you can go and see the alpacas. I'm not sure about all the mud though. What are you saying, babe?
I want to walk through.
I'm scared. More scared I'm going to fall over in all the mud. Should we go for it? Okay. What if it chases us?
I'm not running.
You're just going to let it eat you?
Very muddy.
It is very muddy, isn't it? Imagine being killed by 2 alpacas and being on the news for being trampled to death by an alpaca. It looks like a zombie one.
Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool that they let you come in here with them. I've been to a couple of places where they are behind a fence, and I think they're behind a fence for a reason. So on the dog trail, it actually takes you through where the alpacas are. So just the first one I thought, oh, there's only 2 alpacas, and then it brings you to another field where there's a herd of alpacas. These ones look meaner. Them ones look like babies, but these look a little bigger. I suppose if you start going over to them and petting them, then you're asking for trouble, but they're probably used to people walking and dogs and stuff like that. But they are having a good nosy.
Are you filming in case I fall?
Would I do a thing like that?
Yeah.
But in that pink coat, everyone would know you'd fallen over, wouldn't they? In my green one, I could pass that as camouflage.
I might not fall over, but I might lose a shoe.
Oh, oh, oh. The panic. I did panic a little bit. I did panic a little bit there. So you walk through 2 llama fields and then you can walk around the rest of the site. I think it's like half the site for a little dog walk. This is dangerous. Ooh.
No, help me, don't just fucking film.
Why don't you come around this bit where there's more grass? My little Dora the Explorer.
I think going round better.
I think going to that bit there and then risking it. And then I'll follow you if it works.
I can hear you laughing.
I'm not laughing. It's a push one.
Yeah, I am pushing.
Kick it at the bottom. Now you've got mud on the gate.
On my coat.
That's the best it'll go. Yeah. This is one of the camping meadows. So some of them have electric and some of them don't, but they're all numbered, so you do get a numbered pitch. The ground is a little uneven, but I'd camp on that. You just got to pitch your tent a certain way. They have got a huge solar bank. And that's pretty cool. I've seen a couple of EV chargers as well, not near the pitches, but like at the bottom of the site. So you could definitely charge your car here. So we have our own private hot tub deluxe pitch. So there's hard standing ones that are just out in the open, but you do get a private fence around. And then there's these ones with their, which I'll show you in a minute. It's got a little kitchen in, it's got a little bathroom in it with a shower, and everything is so clean. We arrived here yesterday, I've used it all, I've tried it all, I've not just turned up and gone, look at this. Everything is spotless, everything works, everything is well thought out, it really is. The price is definitely worth it, but you get like these cool spotlights at night. Last night it looked so cool with the spotlights on, with the fairy lights. You're sheltered, so you've got like a 5-foot fence here, so no one can really see you and get in and out, as well as they're all stepped down, you're not overlooked. It's just, and you've only got 2 sides that are open. That has a gate there, so you are closed off. And yeah, it's really good. The kitchen isn't a stocked kitchen, so what I mean by that is there's no pots or pans or cutlery or there's just cupboards to put stuff in. There's a fridge, a kettle, a toaster, and a microwave, and a sink, which I think's enough, especially when you bring your own caravan. You're going to have all that in it anyway. We cooked in the caravan last night, but we're going to wash up in here because we don't wash up in the caravan anyway. But we really, really enjoyed it. When you arrive here, straight to reception, they'll tell you where to go. We're on pitch 3, which is up a bit of a hill. I did have problems leveling the caravan. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. And yeah, can arrive at 1, I think it is, and checkout is at 12, but to start cleaning the hot tubs at 10. But you can stay here till 12, you just can't use the hot tub. Or if you're one of these, they start cleaning them at 10. There's a really nice little shop as well. It's got quite a few bits in it for the size of a shop. But there's over 120 pitches here. There's cottages here. There's little chalets here. There's a bit of everything. So I'd definitely recommend it, even if you don't have a caravan. If you have a tent and you're staying on one of these pitches though, the ground, definitely use a ground sheet. And yeah, it's something just to protect the bottom of your tent. When you arrive, this guy turns up, just asks you if you're okay with a hot tub, and then if you've ordered a fire pit, he'll bring all your wood, your paper, your matches, everything up to you, so you don't have to put it in your car at reception because our car's full of them. It's pretty dirty, but they'll bring it to you, or it'll already be here when you get here. So at this site we had a real problem with it being level. You can see the pitches, they're not quite level, they are from left to right, they're really bad. So I had to dig away some of the gravel to dip the wheel in, and then first attempt we had the wheel right up here, but I weren't happy with that. So yeah, I think it's a good little tip to dig some gravel out and drop your wheel in to try and get it level. Go.
Bruce Springsteen?
Yes. I know.
Don't you want me, baby?
Yes.
Endeavour Bridge. Endeavour Bridge. Under the Bridge?
Yes.
Who's that by?
Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Oh. Spice Girls.
Yes.
Achy Break Your Heart.
Yes. Oh, you did so well.
Yes.
You got 4.
Achy Break Your Heart
5.
was
You got 5.
Did I?
30 seconds.
Achy Break Your Heart got.
I used to have that on LP.
No way.
Don't break my heart.
I used to have it on. I think it was a Pop Princess album, but they used to do a second CD where they taught you the dances to things. But now apparently he's a nasty man, so
yeah,
I'm not allowed to support Billy Ray Cyrus.
But his vinyl would be worth a fortune if I still had it.
However, I will still support Miley and Noah. Ready?
We're gonna just carry on playing this game and really enjoying it, but the battery's running out on this. So
Just so you know.
She is smashing it, but she can sing as well. Go and find a TikTok, and
I ain't got anything on there.
I'll try and make her put some of the songs back on that she used to do. But we'll see you in we'll see you with the fire pit later.
Yes.
We absolutely loved our time at Wallace Lane Farm and would 100% recommend it. The Deluxe Hot Tub Pitch is a really nice addition to a caravan holiday, and we will definitely be back. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.